Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, if you are going through the property purchase process, and many of you are, you're going to be reading documents and talking with your agent and whatnot, and you're going to come across the term apostille, and you're going to go, what the heck is an apostille? Well, I'm going to tell you. Stay tuned. So an apostille, that is something we came across, especially in terms of translating documents and things like that. So I looked it up because I was like, what the heck is an apostille and how does, I couldn't figure it out. So I'm going to look at my notes here. So an apostille is a treaty that is an international treaty that specifies the procedures through which a document can be certified as legal for legal purposes in the signatory countries, meaning the countries that signed on to that treaty. It is an international certification comparable to a notary in the U.S. Now, the apostille is the process, and it must be done by someone who can do that. Now, in my online course, which I'm giving you soon, it's going to be ready probably in another few days, I have links where you can get an apostille done and a little more data on what exactly that is. You will need apostilles for various documents for when you buy your house. Now, if you have time, you can find a place where you can do it for free. It may take a little bit of time to get it back, so this is something you definitely want to do in advance. Find out from your agent before you even find a property that you want, what kind of documents are going to be needed in the buying process, and make sure that any of them that require apostilles, get them in advance so that you have plenty of time and there's no stress and you can save a little bit of money. Hope that helps.